Robinson Rancheria Resort and Casino, located in Lake County, California, is a popular destination that blends modern amenities with rich tribal history. The resort features over 48 spacious guest rooms and suites, providing comfort for both leisure and gaming guests. Its casino floor spans around 22,000 square feet, offering an exciting mix of gaming with more than 600 slot machines, along with a variety of table games. Let's do a walk-in tour. Okay. Please have ID ready. Do they check ID when you walk in? Hey, you checking ID? No? Oh, it said checking IDs. We are at Robinson Rancheria. We're gonna do a walk-in tour here. They have a hotel. We just came through the front door. Right there. Gotta connect to my phone real quick. All right, here we go, everybody. Oh, this is Robinson Rancheria. So the hotel check-in area is over here next to the gift shop. Money gong. Oh, they got the lightning links here. It's pretty cute little casino here. They have table games here too. It's amazing. They got the bar over here. I guess they have performances over in this bar. And they got Game Kings and all that too. Here's your bar area. They have roulette, electronic roulette. And over on this side, they have a bowling section. I'll turn it on in a second so you can see. It's a bowling area next to the conference center. Yeah. Copyright music playing. All right. Look at these games. It's like a coin pusher game. And we're eating over at the food hall over here at the grill. And there's Raina over there. All right. Hopefully the copyright music is not so loud. They got all the newer games here and older games. Lots of older games. So we're here. Gonna go to 3 different casinos. North part of Clear Lake. Ooh, Ultimate Fire Lake. Oh, new games up in the side of the casino. Game Kings in the middle. Lion Lake. And this is a non-smoking casino. Oh, they have bingo here too. This must be the high limit section. A lot of 3 reels in here. Maybe it's just the older game section. Yeah. Nice. Got a lot of Ultimate Fire Links here. Raina's favorite game. One of her favorite games. Let's take a look at the bingo hall here in the corner. Wolfront Gold. There's the bingo hall. Wow. Oh, they got more. Oh, this must be the smoking section. 'Cause I smell cigarettes over here. Oh, yep, this is. Yeah, this is the smoking section. Next to the bingo hall, smoking section. Hey, good. How are you, man? Good. Regal Riches. Wow. Yeah, the smoking section is way out in the corner, away from non-smoking, which is really good. Give him props for that. That's pretty cool. Oh, they got Jumanji. It's not crowded in here. It's really wide open. Ooh, they got Mighty Cash here. Boo Bucks. It's Kong Skull Island over there. Your older games. Oh, they have free drinks here. Ooh, nice. And your table games in the middle. And blackjack. 3-card poker, single deck. Oh, they have single deck blackjack here. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. Fortunes. A lot of 3 wheels. Cool. That's your casino tour, everybody. There's your food hall. That's where we're going to eat. Thank you for tuning in. Give you one last sweep here. Pretty cool.